Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us a newly launched smartwatch from Noise, and it's the Noise X Fit 2, which is an HRX edition smartwatch. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and we'll show you its features. So here is the box of the Noise X Fit 2. In the front of the box we have the Noise HRX branding, and here we have the picture of the smartwatch along with the model name X Fit 2. At the back of the box we have the key features, and here we can see the color, which is the space blue. And apart from that, this smartwatch is available in a few different colors. About the features, we get the 1.69-inch TFT display, SpO2 monitoring, 7 days battery life, stress monitoring, calls and SMS quick reply, female health tracking, heart rate monitoring, 60 sports modes, and this smartwatch is also IP68 waterproof. The companion app for this smartwatch is NoiseFit, which is available on both Android and iOS platform. The MRP of this smartwatch is Rs 3,999. However, it will be available to purchase for just Rs 1,999, which is an introductory pricing. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we get the welcome card, and here we have the warranty details, and then we get these Noise stickers. After that, we have the smartwatch itself, and guys, my first impression is that it feels well built, and I really like this space blue color. And also, you get the dual accent straps in this watch, which looks very good. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So here we have the user guide, and it has the info about the features and how to pair this watch. After that we have the charging cable, and guys, it's a magnetic cable which connects at the back of the watch like this. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Noise X Fit 2 HRX edition is a budget fitness smartwatch, and again, as it's an HRX edition, so this smartwatch is more towards fitness, hence the company is calling it an active smartwatch. Now in terms of the build quality and design, I find these straps very comfortable on the hand, and also the quality is very good. Design wise as well, the straps looks amazing, especially the dual accent colors and also the HRX branding on this side. The main body of the watch is made up of plastic, and due to that, you can feel it's very lightweight. In terms of the display, we have the 1.69-inch TFT display, and we get the curved glass. And again, we have a thin bezel on the top but a thicker bezel at the bottom of the display. Now about the overview, we have a single crown button on the right side, and here at the back we have the sensors along with the charging points. So overall in terms of design and build quality, I'm happy with this smartwatch, and it does look and feel well built. And compared with the X Fit 1, we have a larger screen size, and also the build quality feels much better. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So the watch is now on, and for pairing, we need to download the app NoiseFit. We have this all new updated NoiseFit app, and for pairing, just scan the QR code, and that's it. Your smartwatch is now ready to use. Now let me show you the watch features. So here we are on the watch face, and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. And here you can see we have fitness based watch faces in this smartwatch, and you can also add more from the companion app. Now about the controls. Swiping down from the top will show you the notifications history, and swiping up from the bottom will show you the quick settings. And here we have the battery saving mode, find phone, brightness, torch, and the settings of the watch. Swiping right or left will show you the quick cards, which includes activity status, heart rate, stress monitoring, sleep and music. To access the main menu, you will need to press the crown button once. And guys, here you can see the touch response is very good, and there is a very minor lag in the menu. About the menu, first we have the noise health, and in this we have the activity, which will show you the current day's fitness data. And then we have the sleep, and here you can see the details of your last night's sleep. After that we have the SpO2 monitoring, and guys, the data seems quite accurate when we compared it with the SpO2 meter. Then in the menu we have the heart rate, and here as well the data is accurate, and also you get the continuous heart rate monitoring in this smartwatch. After that we have the stress monitoring, and here it will show you a score letting you know how stressed you are. Then in the main menu, we have the clock, and here we have the alarm, stopwatch, world clock, and the timer with some preset timers. Then in the menu we have the workouts, and here we have the neatly categorized workouts. And in total, you get 60 sports modes. And during workout, you get this type of interface showing you your heart rate, calories burned, and the other information based on the workout you have selected. Then in the menu we have the sports records, and here you can see the history of your workout sessions. After that we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather along with the weather forecast. And then we have the music control, and here you can control the music on your phone and also increase or decrease the volume. And then we have the breathe, by which you can do some breathing exercises. After that in the menu we have the reminders, which you can set from the app. And then we have the flashlight and the watch faces. And then finally, we have the settings of the smartwatch. And here we have the brightness and the vibration settings. And then we have the wrist awake, which is a raise to wake feature. And during our testing, we found it quite responsive and it works very well. Then in the settings we have the usual DND, power off, reset and the restart option. So that's all the features we have in this fitness smartwatch. And feature wise, it looks pretty good. And the menu is also lag free and very user friendly. Now let me show you the companion app NoiseFit. We have showcased this app many times in our previous videos. So today I'll be just giving you a quick overview. And guys, as you can see, we have this new design and basically the features are same, but you have a new user interface. So here we are on the home page and here you have your health overview, which includes step count, distance, sleep, heart rate and so on. You can tap on any of these cards to see the historical data. After that we have the settings and here you can see the connected device on the top along with the battery status and the last sync time. After that we have the watch face store and here you can use a custom watch face. And then we have the available cloud-based watch faces. And then we have the notification settings and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your smartwatch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. So you can silent or reject the call and also send a quick reply message, which is a pretty good feature and works perfectly. And now let me show you the app alert. So guys, here we have the WhatsApp notification and you get the app icon, but unfortunately we don't have the preset replies and the emoji support in this smartwatch. Then in the settings we have the health monitoring and here we have the auto heart rate settings, REM for better sleep tracking, and then we have the drink water reminder, hand wash reminder and the idle alert. After that we have the alarm, Google Fit integration, quick reply settings, and here you can add or edit the quick reply messages. And then we have the weather settings, camera shutter, by which you can control the camera of your phone, but it doesn't work with the native camera app. So that's all the features we have on the smartwatch and in the app. And guys, the XFit 2 smartwatch from Noise looks very promising and much better and improved than the previous XFit 1. You're getting a very good build quality and design wise it looks decent. The display performance is also very good and the touch is also responsive. The fitness data is accurate and the sleep tracking is also pretty accurate. The battery backup is also decent and with the moderate usage you can get up to 7 days of battery backup. So in short, if you're in the market to buy a fitness smartwatch and don't want to spend a lot, then the XFit 2 is a very good smartwatch. And keeping in mind the pricing, which is under Rs 2000, we think it's a perfect smartwatch right now with all the features and options. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise XFit 2 HRX Edition smartwatch. Let us know if you like it and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off and I'll see you in the next one.